With both Apple and Google gearing up for a grand comeback with the iPhone 15 and Pixel 8,
Tell me about it.
it's time to dive into the world of cutting-edge features that each of these new devices will introduce. So come join us in this video, as we compare the upcoming iPhone 15 Pro and Pixel 8 Pro. Which one would best suit you? Release date. Apple held its Far Out event on September 7, 2022, unveiling the next generation of iPhones, including the iPhone 14 Pro. While the iPhone launch was undoubtedly a highlight of the year, other tech giants were also making waves in the smartphone industry.
Yeah, I remember.
Notably, Google held its own event on October 6, 2022, where they introduced the Pixel 7 Pro. After their successful launches in 2022, both Apple and Google are anticipated to make a comeback this year with their respective successors to the iPhone 14 and Pixel 7 Pro.
So, brace yourself.
Based on Apple's typical release patterns, it is highly anticipated that the iPhone 15 Pro will make its debut in September 2023. Similarly, Google's next flagship, the Pixel 8 Pro, is expected to hit the market in the fall of 2023, aiming for a September or October release. As you ponder your choice for a 2023 smartphone, let's embark on a journey to explore the remarkable features offered by both the Pixel 8 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro.
Okay.
Design and features. The iPhone 15 Pro, a 6.1-inch device, is expected to have a titanium case, making it the most durable iPhone yet. It is rumored to feature a curved display with thinner bezels and increased brightness up to 2500 nits, surpassing the maximum brightness of the iPhone 14 Pro. Rumors suggest a customizable action button inspired by the Apple Watch Ultra, allowing users to quickly access Control Center, activate the torch, etc. The device is expected to debut a new deep red shade with color code 410D0D. While the iPhone 15 Pro is set to come with these upgrades, the Pixel 8 Pro won't be left out. The Pixel 8 Pro on the other hand is rumored to feature a larger 6.7-inch display, and leaks point to a redesigned body which comes with rounded corners, instead of the boxy shape of its predecessor.
Amazing.
The upcoming Pixel 8 Pro is set to make a splash with a fresh array of colors known internally as jade, licorice, porcelain, and sky, accompanied by matching wallpapers: jade and darker option, licorice and darker option, porcelain and darker option, sky and darker option.
Wow.
In addition to that, we anticipate significant camera upgrades on the Pixel 8 Pro. Camera. According to recent reports, Apple plans to use Sony's latest sensor in iPhone 15, possibly with a larger, triple-stack design, improving photo quality in vibrant colors. However, an alternative source suggests that the larger sensor might be exclusive to the iPhone 16 Pro series. If this turns out to be true, the iPhone 15 Pro could retain the same sensors as the previous year's model. If the rumored new periscope camera, which would offer up to 6x zoom, will also be reserved for the iPhone 15 Pro Max model, then there are not many changes to expect, but we anticipate a new 8P main lens that aims to minimize distortion in wider-angle shots. However, it remains uncertain whether this lens will be introduced, considering that Apple recently transitioned to a 7P lens for the iPhone 14 Pro. The Pixel 8 Pro, on the other hand, is said to come with a ton of camera upgrades. Firstly, the rear camera bar is expected to house larger sensors, similar to the iPhone 15 Pro. There will also be a transition from the ISO cell GN1 to the ISO cell GN2, which will enhance light processing by 35%, resulting in brighter and more detailed photos, especially in low-light conditions. It will also support 8K video recording at 30 frames per second for exceptional clarity. It will also introduce staggered HDR, which will enhance dynamic range and contrast in photos. Additionally, the outdated 12MP Sony IMX386 ultra-wide camera sensor is likely to be replaced with a more functional 64MP Sony IMX787 sensor used in the Pixel 7a's primary camera, and we expect great improvements in autofocus as well. Furthermore, we anticipate significant advancements in performance for both devices. In order to stay informed about news and leaks like this, ensure that you subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on any of our regular updates. Performance. The iPhone 15 Pro is set to release with a significant demand due to the Apple A17 Bionic chip, which is expected to offer significant performance enhancements.
Oh, I see.
The chip is expected to increase single-core performance by 20.6% and multi-core performance by 24%, resulting in faster and more efficient performance across various tasks and applications. The A17 Bionic chip's performance improvements are attributed to its transition to a 3nm fabrication process, which offers speed and efficiency.
Interesting.
Similarly, the Pixel 8 Pro is set to deliver impressive performance updates. The upcoming Pixel 8 Pro is expected to showcase the Google Tensor G3 chipset, which reportedly draws its foundation from the unannounced Samsung Exynos 2300 processor. What makes this particularly exciting is that the chipset is said to utilize Samsung's advanced 3nm node technology. Compared to the current Google Tensor G2 chipset, which is built on 5nm technology, the implementation of the Tensor G3 chipset holds the potential for significant improvements in both performance and efficiency across various tasks and applications. This translates to smoother multitasking, quicker app launches, and seamless navigation through the device's user interface. Undoubtedly, the pricing of each phone will play a crucial role in many people's decision-making process. What will the price of each device be then? Price. The Pixel 7 Pro starts at $899. Google has historically maintained consistent pricing strategies, and it is likely to continue in 2023. Based on this pattern, there is a strong possibility that the Pixel 8 Pro will be priced at $899. However, this may not be so for the iPhone 15. Several industry analysts are suggesting potential price increases of up to $200, specifically for the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max models. For example, a report from Chinese outlet Economic Daily News indicates that the entire lineup could experience a price hike ranging from 10% to 20%. With the current starting price of $999 for the iPhone 14 Pro, the projected price increase for the next generation suggests that the iPhone 15 Pro might start at around $1,100 or $1,200, making it $100 to $200 more expensive than its predecessor.
Who's shocked? I'm not.
While it is our hope that such price increases do not materialize, there is a strong likelihood, especially in the case of the Pro models, which are rumored to introduce innovative features like titanium construction and other cutting-edge advancements. As we anticipate other devices to bring notable improvements as well, we are eager to hear your thoughts before discussing them. Which feature do you find most exciting and cannot wait to see in the iPhone 15 Pro and Pixel 8 Pro? Tell us in the comments section. Get ready for the ultimate smartphone experience. In our next video, Samsung Galaxy S24, are you ready for the ultimate smartphone? We dive into the hottest leaks and updates surrounding the highly anticipated Galaxy S24. If you're eager to stay ahead of the curve and discover what Samsung has in store, this is the video you don't want to miss.